panic selling during market dips. And what I mean by this is may investment ka na. Nakita mo, unti-unti siyang bumabagsak. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 5, negative 10, negative 20, and then you panic. And when you panic, you sell it kasi parang unti-unti na nakikita mo paubos ng paubos at palusaw na ng palusaw yung initial investment mo. Nangyari din siya sa akin noong nagsisimula pa lang ako. Dahil nga, I didn't know any better. I panic. I didn't know what to do because nga I didn't have a plan. So, may mga stocks na nabenta palugi only to find out na umakyat din naman siya in the long run. And maganda naman pala yung fundamentals or yung financials nung company na yun. What happened was, nag-expand siya during that time period na bumabagsak. So, whatever happens na magkaroon ng market dips, know that ang stock market, it moves in cycle. Hindi siya linear na straight line. Minsan naakyat, minsan bababa, minsan babagsak, nagre-recover. It could be kasi bumagsak siya because medyo pangit yung economy ng Pilipinas and foreign investors are leaving. But when you read through the company's financials, okay naman yung kumpanya. Wala namang nagbago sa financials niya. Maganda pa rin yung revenue ng company, yung net income niya. Okay naman siya. Having a clear strategy gives you at least a peace of mind or a conviction na eto kasi yung plano. So, may plano ka, susundin natin.